This video will show you how to create Interact-V program with Huidu Cloud. There are two main types of interaction, swiping to switch programs and button switching. First is the swiping to switch. Open Huidu Cloud. Make sure the device is on interactive mode. Create a new LCD program. Add the prepared picture program. Click the slide to switch pictures. Save the program. Then send the program. Next, we create the button interactive program. Here is the result of actual use. Click on the buttons on the screen to switch to the corresponding program. The program list function is recommended for complex interactive programs. Create a new program list. Select the corresponding device. Create the first program. Name the menu. Add the picture. Button functions can be found in the menu bar. Can be dragged to any position. Support for modifying text size, color, etc. Add the second button. Save the program after editing. Note that the serial number of program 1 here is 1. We'll use it later. Producing the second program. Add a button. This button we named Return. Need to implement a function to return to the home page. Click Add Interactive Event. The first item we choose the switching programs. The second item we choose the play specified content. We need to go back to the home page, so fill in the program number of the home page program 1. Save the program. Continued production of the third program. It's produced in the same way as the second program. Add button to return to home page. Next, we set up the button interaction events for the first program. Click the first button. We need this button to switch to program 2. The program number is 2. Click the second button, Add Interactive Event. We make button to switch to program 3. Save and send the program after editing. And now the interactive program is complete.